Welcome back, everybody. After a long wait, we finally got our Bambu P1S printer and AMS combo. So let's get this thing unboxed, get it set up, and do our first test print. Let's go. Long awaiting. All right. Right on top, obviously, we're going to need our manual. It's always good to check this thing out before you get too deep into something. Make sure we don't miss any steps. So they package a bunch of little bamboo stickers, decals. Let's make it. Get started, support center, Facebook, Twitter, all the good stuff. Free premium models. Download the handy app, which we'll do later. First, we take the out, sounds like. Good old tape, good old tape. Careful. Last thing we want to do is break it before we use it. So inside here, we got our AMS system inside. Some parts that looks like it's going to be our screen and nozzle and plug. I think that's is probably good. That's the best way to get this out though. Dust is on. Take out the bottom. Room. Okay. Yeah, so it's folded in. Take it, pop that open. Ooh, just like that. And I'm going to say I'm very happy that my door is intact because I've seen a few people that have been receiving these, and I'm guessing during shipping, this front door has been broken. So very glad I don't have to deal with that. Get some of this out. That's in there. Is that screwed in? Oh, yep. In here we got our cables, power cord, our spool holder, which we won't need since we have the AMS, our 0.4 nozzle, about the AMS, so instructions for that, our screen, and it looks like we got some of the lubricant and tools and screws that we're going to need down the road. And that's what we're looking for right there. A little tool action. So if you can see, we got 2 screws right here that are holding in that AMS system for us. Oh, yeah. And there we go. We got our 4 spool AMS system out, ready to go. We're going to set that down below for now. And then it looks like we've got 4 more screws to remove. Here. Got all the orange to remove there. Remove that guy. So let's go ahead and remove these screws. And we got it. That's what was holding in that AMS. And then we've got 3 more screws. There we go. 1 screw here, here, and here. You can see they're marked by orange that you need to remove those as well. These screws are what's holding in the bed from shifting and moving around during shipping. Now, we got this cardboard here. Like that. And then we got see where take our screws, loose, and that. We should take that out. Remove cardboard from the lid, remove foam, excess shoot. Remove that. Make it this over here. So then after we get everything removed on the inside, we will get the top put on and the AMS installed. Maybe. If we can get it out. This round part, the bamboo is going to be on the front. Should have known that. There we go. And then the AMS will be going on top. And we need the AMS cable. Which one's which? Let's make sure we use the right one. It looks like it's the straight. So, yeah, so this is the cable that we want for the AMS. It looks like there's supposed to be a little connector there. Just like so. The PTFE tube. I'm still learning all the jargon. We go behind it and got that put in there. Now assemble our screen. Sometimes you just got to rip it open. And here is our screen. Nice and smooth. Move this tape from the wire. Very easy connection. Just get her in there. So then we bend this so it goes inside. We go straight in and to the left. And we got our screen. All right, we've got power to it. So now let's just follow the instructions. Yeah, make sure that you've read the user manual. Yep. Please make sure that you remove the screw fixed and fix the hotbed. Yep, those are 3 screws removed. North America. And so then you need to download the Bambu Handy app. You don't have to, but I'm definitely going to do that. All right, we finally got it set up through the Handy app. And let's run the self-test routine to check the status of your printer. When I'm doing that, we'll take these guys out. All right, we have completed the self-check. Now it's asking for a firmware update. So we'll go ahead and update that. And I did preemptively remove these because the instruction says don't remove them till after the check. So I put them back in real quick. It didn't even know. So we're going to 1.07.00. Let's go. Update. We'll be back. All right, let's go over everything that came with it. We got 2 spools of 200 grams of filament. We got orange and we got green. And then we also got some support for PLA PTG. I'm interested to try this out for my first build that actually has support, see how much different and better that is to use this for supports. So we're going to try both. Like I said earlier, it came with an extra 0.4 nozzle. We got a couple things in here. Cleaner to clean out any clogs. Yeah, this is the lubricant grease. So when we need to lubricate it, and thermal grease. For the extruder, so some screws. Looks like some extra parts. Parts for the hot end and parts for a scraper, so we can download the scraper off of MakerWorld, make a scraper. A smaller little Allen wrench. And a mystery. Looks like tiny little scrapers. Tiny little guys. And a boat model components for our benchy. Let's see what they added here. They added a little motor that we can attach to our benchy to make it zoom around. Well, that's awesome. Looks like it came with plenty of extra tubing. So they have the desiccant beads in a bag, so they're not being utilized, which is so we're not wasting them. So we got them out. Let's put them back in. There we go. And then the first one we're going to use this green PLA. All right. So I'm going to cut that end because I don't want any of the sticky tape to maybe mess with it. We use our little flat cutter. Oh yeah, looks like we're all done. Let's check it out. Oh, pops right off. Oh yeah. With no, I mean, it's got a little stringing, not much at all. But, and then the little bit of layer lines, but not much. I mean, no calibration whatsoever. I think turned out great. Awesome. Well, the unboxing setup and even our little print was a success. We had our hiccups, but thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope you learned something from my successes and my failures. But if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to like and subscribe. Now we got a working printer. Many more videos to come. Make sure you be kind to yourselves.